In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Synonyms feature in Microsoft Word. So if you want to enable Synonymous feature in your Microsoft Word, then what you need to do is simply open up your control panel at first. After opening your control panel, look for Programs and Features, which will be located under the Programs section. This area allows you to manage the applications that are currently installed on your computer. Once you're inside Programs and Features, look through the list of applications and find Microsoft Office. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct Microsoft Office entry before continuing. Once you find Microsoft Office, right-click on it to open the available options. From the menu that appears, select Change. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking you to allow the application to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. You will then see the Microsoft Office setup options. From here, select Quick Repair. This option allows Microsoft Office to repair its application components and can help resolve problems with features that are not working correctly. After selecting Quick Repair, look for the Repair button, which should appear at the bottom right of the window. Click Repair to begin the repair process. Microsoft Office will now start repairing the application. During this process, Word and other Office applications may need to be closed, so make sure you have finished any work before continuing. Once the repair is complete, check Microsoft Word again to see if the Synonyms feature is working properly. The repair process can fix issues with Office features that may have become damaged or stopped working correctly. If the quick repair does not fix the problem, you can go back and restart your device. Restarting the computer gives Windows and Microsoft Office an opportunity to reload their components and apply the changes from the repair process. After your device has restarted, open Microsoft Word again and check the Synonyms feature. And that's how you can enable the Synonyms feature in Microsoft Word by repairing your Microsoft Office application. If the feature wasn't working correctly because of an Office configuration or application issue, performing a quick repair may resolve the problem. This process is also useful when other Microsoft Office features are not working as expected, because repairing the application can restore components that may have been affected. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,